Hello there, my name is Jason Perkins. I'd like to welcome you to another episode in the Georgia Workers' Compensation video series. I'm an attorney who specializes in Georgia workers' compensation cases. I created this series of videos because I want to provide people who've been hurt at work with helpful information about Georgia's workers' compensation law and the benefits they should receive under it. Today I want to talk to you about whether you can end your workers' compensation case. Now, the first important question to ask is why you would want to end your workers' compensation case. You can do it, but why would you want to do it? Well, it may be one of several different reasons. You may be tired of dealing with the insurance company and their failure to approve your medical treatment or their delay in approving your medical treatment. You may be frustrated with the insurance adjuster or the case manager or the workers' compensation doctor that you're treating with. Maybe you're just a little frustrated because your checks aren't arriving on time, or maybe you're feeling somewhat better and ready to return to work and move on with your life. There's several different reasons that you might want to end your workers' compensation case. Now, as I mentioned just a minute ago, you can end your workers' compensation case. In Georgia, really the only way to end your workers' compensation case is through a settlement of your case. What settlement really is the workers' compensation insurance company agreeing to buy your case from you for a certain negotiated lump sum amount of money. So the question is not whether you can end your case, but the real question is, the big question is, should you end your workers' compensation case, and should you end it now? Now, the reason that question is so important is settlement of a workers' compensation case in Georgia is final. In Georgia, workers' compensation settlements have to not only be agreed upon between you and your attorney and the workers' compensation insurance company, they also have to be approved by a workers' compensation judge who's with the State Board of Workers' Compensation. Once that settlement is approved by the workers' compensation judge, generally you cannot go back and change it at all. It's final. So if you make that decision and then you later decide maybe you shouldn't have settled your case, maybe there was some additional medical treatment you needed, or maybe you didn't recover as well as you thought you should have and you're not able to return to work. Well, if you've settled your case and made that final decision, you really can't go back and change it later. So it's very important to make a good decision about if you should settle your case and what you should settle your case for. What I would certainly recommend to you is, if you're considering ending your case through settlement, talk to a workers' compensation attorney and get a free consultation with them before you move forward with discussing settlement, and especially before you move forward with deciding to settle your case. Since that decision's final, you want to make sure that you're not missing something. If you do settle your case and you miss something, you can't come back and change it later. So it's better to talk to an attorney and get information beforehand, make sure you're not missing something, and also an attorney may be able to give you some information about what you should settle your case for. After talking with the attorney, you can certainly make a decision about whether you move forward with hiring them or not, but at least talk to the attorney for free to make sure you're not missing something. I hope you found this information about whether you can end your workers' compensation case helpful. If you have, please let me know that. One of the best ways you can do that is by liking this video or giving it a thumbs up. If you'd like to schedule a free consultation with me about your workers' compensation case, I'm happy to do that. There's two easy ways that you can set one up. The first is by calling our office at the phone number on the bottom of the screen. A member of our workers' compensation team will speak with you and get you set up to speak with me. The second is by visiting our website, which is www.perkinslawtalk.com. You can click on and submit the free consultation request form that's available there, and a member of our team will reach out to you and get a consultation scheduled with me. I'd like to thank you again for watching this video today, and I want to wish you the best of luck as you recover from your injury.